Hi everybody and welcome to the Made from Scratch tutorials. This is DJ Andy and this week I'm showing you a beat juggling technique. It doesn't work on every beat, so make sure you choose the right one. Alright, for this juggle I'm gonna use the instrumental of Cop That Shit by Timbaland and Magoo featuring Missy. Now let me break it down for you step by step. First of all, make sure you put the turntable on 33 and the pitch on 0, and you're just gonna loop the beat like this. Check it out. That's the basic pattern, so once you feel comfortable with it, you can do it a little bit faster. So you put the turntable on 45 minus 8 and make sure to unlock the key lock if you're using DVS. All right, check it out a bit faster. Now, to spice it up, I'm gonna add a push on both sides and I start on the right side. Check it out. Once again. Last time. And I'm doing the same on the left side. Once again. Last time. Now let's do everything together. The pattern with the push. Check it out.